Hey, welcome back to another video. Nailed it, projects. I'm a little winded. I've been working. I had the phone charging. You know, I don't own an actual vlog camera or a GoPro. And once I start making some kind of actual income, I'll invest in those things. You guys get me up to my goal for May is 100 subscribers. Get me to 100 this month. I'll be happy. And then we're doing 100 the next month. And we just keep, you know, what was that old meme back in the day on TikTok? Double it, give it to the next person.
What?
Hola, double it, give it to the next person.
What?
Yeah, ask Jeremiah.
I'm confused.
Yes, I know you're confused. You're confused a lot. But yeah, let me show you guys what's been going on. As you can see here, we have the retaining wall 98% complete. Now I said 98% because once I bring the trampoline back down here, put it in place, I am going to finish that corner off with actual cylinder blocks or cinder blocks. And I'm also going to, this corner needs to come out at least 4 feet to around here. And then all this will be filled in. Have the remaining of the blocks there. Will I do that today? Maybe. Sometime this week. 90% done. This is a walkway leading out that way towards the garden and greenhouse. So for now, I'm going to shovel as much dirt from here into the bottom of the greenhouse. Then we can pull the tarp over, put the trampoline in place. That's my main goal for this video. All right, now we got it pretty much spread the way we want. It's sloping from here towards the trees. That was the whole plan in the first place. So me and the children are gonna pull the tarp out and see if we did a good job. Think we did a good job? Yes.
My goal is to finish my car today.
My goal is to finish one of these projects completely today. And guess what? I'm almost there. Somebody shoot! Alright, so it's done, right?
Daddy,
Yeah.
it's just a roof paper for those.
See? The water's gonna run all this way. Oh, that's done. What? Go ahead and get one if you want to. Alright, stop.
So I can get wet and the stuff that I'm wearing because I need my baby t-shirt tomorrow.
Yes. It's working. As you can see, water is collecting, coming down this way, just like I want it to. And it'll flow there all the way over into here and eventually make its way. This section is already collecting water, so none of this is going to waste. Now they won't be jumping up there. You see that green spot, and it's just water and grass. The water is all gonna flow down here
Into the dwarf noir.
Say that again.
Dwarf noir.
The what?
Dwarf noir.
It's dwarf namois.
It is actually working.